No.
One day, I went to school. When I came back, my parents and who? What's that? Is this some sort of concert party? Where we're singing?
Yeah.
Can I do a song?
No.
Excuse me. Can I have some music, please? Excuse me, can I have some music, please? Hello? Thank you. If someone stood up in a crowd and raised his voice up way out loud and waved his arm and shook his leg, you'd notice him. If someone in the movie show yelled fire in the second row, this whole place is a powder keg, you'd notice him. And even without clucking like a hen, everyone gets noticed now and then. That isn't because that person it should be invisible, inconsequential me. Cellophane, Mr. Cellophane, should have been my name, Mr. Cellophane, 'cause you can look right through me, walk right by me, and never know I'm there. I tell you, Cellophane, Mr. Cellophane, should have been my name, Mr. Cellophane, 'cause you can walk right by me, look right through me, and never know I'm there. Suppose you was a little cat residing in a person's flat who fed you fish and scratched your ear, you'd notice him. Suppose you was a woman wet, asleep in a double bed beside one man for 7 minutes, you'd notice him. A human